Far too many people still struggle with weak, unreliable tools without realizing how much easier their work could be. Upgrading your cordless drill isn't just about more power. It's about transforming how fast, efficient, and professional your projects can become. The best cordless drills combine speed, precision, and durability that take your DIY or job site performance to the next level. In this video, we'll look at the top 5 max cordless drills on Amazon, all built for power, control, and lasting reliability. But first, make sure to use our links in the description below, because they'll take you straight to the latest deals and discounts on every product we talk about. Let's get started. First up, we have the Milwaukee 3453-2012 Volt Fuel 1/4 inch cordless hex impact driver, bare tool. This compact but mighty tool delivers serious performance in a lightweight design that's perfect for professionals who value precision and portability. It's part of Milwaukee's legendary Fuel lineup, known for efficiency, endurance, and intelligent power management. The 12-volt brushless motor delivers impressive torque, making it great for fastening and drilling tasks in tight spaces. The compact frame allows you to maneuver easily where bulkier models can't reach. Whether you're assembling furniture, working under cabinets, or performing maintenance work, this impact driver ensures consistent performance without fatigue. Even though it's a bare tool, you can easily connect it with your existing Milwaukee M12 battery system, giving you full flexibility on the job site. Next, we step up to the Milwaukee M18 Fuel 1/4 inch hex impact driver, one of the fastest, most advanced tools on the market today. Built for professionals who demand nothing short of the best, this driver boasts the fastest driving speed of any impact driver without sacrificing control. The smooth trigger control makes it easy to handle small fasteners while preventing screw stripping or material damage. You'll also love the Tri-LED lighting, which completely illuminates your workspace for better visibility in low-light conditions. Its 4-mode drive control gives you full power customization. And with a torque of up to 2,000 inch-pounds, it effortlessly drives through the toughest materials. This M18 model is engineered to increase productivity, reduce downtime, and deliver precision with every trigger pull. For those looking for the perfect balance between raw power and total control, the M18 Fuel is a no-compromise choice. Our third pick brings incredible value with versatility. The Craftsman V20 Max Cordless Drill and Impact Driver Power Tool Combo Kit CMCK240C2 AM. This kit includes 2 powerful tools, 2 batteries, and a charger, giving you everything you need right out of the box. The drill provides excellent torque for drilling through wood, metal, or plastic, while the impact driver adds the muscle for heavier fastening jobs. Each tool is part of Craftsman's trusted V20 system, ensuring long battery life and consistent performance. The ergonomic design reduces hand strain, making it ideal for extended projects. Whether you're working on home improvement tasks or professional repairs, this combo delivers durability and convenience that's hard to match in its price range. If you want a complete setup that's ready to work straight away, this is a smart investment. Now let's talk about one of the most respected names in power tools, DeWalt. Coming in fourth is the DeWalt 20-volt Max Cordless Drill and Impact Driver Brushless Power Tool Combo Kit DCK277D2. This professional-grade set delivers everything you'd expect from DEWALT: power, precision, and performance. The brushless motors extend tool life and efficiency, giving you longer runtime per charge and smoother operation. Both tools are compact, lightweight, and easy to handle, perfect for tight workspaces. The impact driver produces quick bursts of torque for tough fastening jobs, while the drill offers reliable speed for precision drilling. You also get 2 batteries and a charger included, so you can work without interruption. If you're serious about performance, this DeWalt combo will keep up with your toughest demands day after day. Finally, we have another DeWalt model that remains a fan favorite, the DeWalt 20-volt Max Cordless Drill and Impact Driver Combo Kit, DCK240C2. This set delivers excellent power and dependability at an affordable price point. Designed for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals, it includes a compact drill driver and an impact driver that handles heavy-duty tasks with ease. Both are powered by the 20-volt max system, known for reliability and consistent power output. You also get 2 batteries and a charger, ensuring continuous workflow without delays. The ergonomic grip and lightweight design make long working sessions much more comfortable. If you're looking for dependable tools that deliver high-quality performance without breaking the bank, this DeWalt combo is a solid pick that thousands of users trust. So there you have it, the top 5 max cordless drills and impact drivers on Amazon right now. Whether you prefer the rugged precision of Milwaukee, the value-packed versatility of Craftsman, or the unmatched durability of DeWalt, each of these tools offers something unique to make your work faster, smoother, and more efficient. Remember to check out the links in the description below for the best prices and current discounts. Your tools should work as hard as you do, so invest in a cordless drill that delivers real power, longer runtime, and lasting reliability. Upgrade your toolkit today and experience what premium performance really feels like.